raining. First, I'm struggling with Google Maps. I'm on my way to Mecca. I slept at Yalamlam. It's about 98 kilometers. When I have finished Umrah, I will get back to you. I'm in Makkah. I did my Umrah, I did everything. Now I'm going to Madinah. So it's gonna be a long journey. It says I have 417 kilometers. And it's the same highway for up to 412 kilometers. So yeah, let's go. The surrounding area is pretty wet. I think it rained here. I hope it will rain when I'm driving, you know. It will be really awesome. And it's raining. My wiper blade is pretty bad, except that it's a vibe. And now there's a slight sandstorm. It looks like a fog. But sometimes it can get pretty wild. Wind so strong and car will get so scratched up. Oh, and it's raining. I love this. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now the rain has subsided. And it's thunderstorm. I couldn't even see the road. I have police patrolling. Okay, we have 212 kilometers. It's such a vibe though. Look at the sky. It's pretty cool. I'm at peace right now, listening to slow songs, watching the rain, watching the sky shining. I'm at a gas station. I want to buy something. I'm eating fries and also a drink, and I have a sandwich. I will eat it. 16 degrees and with rain, it's pretty chill. Oh, that's a lot. Let's have some fries. It's really good. Eating them while it's hot, it feels really good. Okay, I have called my cousin there. It'll be really nice if I could stay somewhere. I didn't sleep good yesterday. I really wish for a good night's sleep so that I will have a lot of energy to explore. I can sleep in my car. It's not a problem, but it'll be great if you could sleep in a room, yeah, with a proper bed. I just called my cousin. He gave me a location, so we're going there, and I'll take rest. Yeah, I'm here. Good morning. So that was my room. Let's go outside. Oops. Ground floor. Oh, it rained. It's still there's overcast. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now we go.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Sultana. In 200 meters, take...
Okay. Google Maps is killing me right now.
Continue on to head
Oh,
south,
oh my
then
God.
continue on to Abdul Mohsen bin Abdul Aziz in Abdul Aziz for 1.5 kilometers. Take the exit towards Sultana, then merge onto... Take the exit towards Sultana, then
That's Masjid Nabawi.
head north.
That's so cool. I parked my car. It's a very peaceful area. Let's take a walk. Okay, so my cousin has arranged me food. I'll go there. It's very peaceful and there's a cool breeze. I loved it. I'm going to that hotel. Yeah, it's 1 kilometer away. I'll first pray and then we can go and have our lunch. More like brunch. Yeah, I haven't ate anything this morning, so let's go. Okay. Cool. Struggle a little bit with that parking. Now I'm struggling with Google Maps, and it's being a real headache. It's the first time I'm struggling with Google Maps. Yeah, it's again and again and again killing. Google Map is so bad in Madinah. So what I'm thinking is go to the same parking lot that we went. From there, let's walk to that hotel. Let's go.